Hello Tom, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for this beautiful 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 the Classic. The C kilometers has 19,820 kilometers and the price is $54.88 plus taxes and license only. Fully safety certified unit, ready to hit the road. Had the front brand new tires and the rear tire. So the bike is very clean. And if you have some time, please come to see the unit physical, or if you have more questions, please give me a call 905-660-2901 extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.